Alrighty, we got a cool, informative video for you guys. There's gonna be no fluff, no nonsense. We're just gonna give you the best details we can on this 2017 KTM 450 SXF. Alright, that's what we got here. So we're just gonna give you a complete rundown, as much information as I think I can get out of this thing. If I forget anything, just leave it down in the comments, and hopefully I'll answer it if I didn't list it down here. So we're gonna start from the ground up, as you can see. So I have a list here with some information on it, so I hopefully remember. So the wheels. The wheels are 21 inches in the front, 19 inches in the back, and the tire brand that is on it right now at the moment is Tusk. Front and back, good tires, and we got the upgraded pegs, the upgraded Tusk pegs. So those are really nice because they're bigger and they have a nice feel to it. So let's see now. So let's go to the engine now, because we kind of got that side of things. Let's see about the engine. It's basically a 4-stroke and is fuel injected, as well as it has a classic 5 gears. And so let's see now. The piston has been machined because this thing actually runs a slightly different fuel, but we'll get to that. And it has electric start, which is really nice on these bikes. I can't tell you how many times I wish I had electric start on my bike, but it runs, okay, it has several different mappings on this thing, so you kind of map it where you like. And let's see now, the fuel now, it has a shaved down piston, but that's why they shaved down the piston, so it runs better with the 100 low lead Avgas. So it's basically airplane fuel, but for dirt bikes. So yeah, it's pretty rad. So it also can run, let's see, M4, is it called M4? Just racing fuel basically. And so yeah, you can use that as well in these things. So now we can move down to the shocks. It has the classic, well, not almost classic, it has the air shocks in the front, rebuilt by NV2 suspensions. Good people there. And we got our classic, let's go over here, got the classic KTM oil shock in the back. And the spring, I don't know if you guys care, is right there, the 42260 GR. So that is good to know. And also it is the linkage. It's not the direct one going to the swing arm. It goes underneath, then it connects. Some people like it, some people don't. Something you ought to know. So now we can go to hydraulic brakes, which are controlled with the thing back here, as well as up top here. Also a hydraulic clutch. Also with that, we have the Mojo levers here we got upgraded to that, because lots of times your levers will break. These things have lifetime warranties. So that is sick if you ever own a dirt bike, because those happen and break a lot. Also has those guards on it. I haven't really seen that brand before, but we got that. So the gas tank is stock, I'm pretty sure, as well as the air filter. And let's see now. I think that has got, well wait, no, there's some more information on the back of the paper. Can't forget that. So the plastics are factory edition, so they look cooler that way. Oh yeah. So, sorry, that was a little slow. As well as the triple clamps, or tree clamps, as you could say. And the skid plate is the Acerbis, as well as the guards there, and the guards there. That is a side brand right there, for the side piece of that thingy right there, the guard there. And it has the wrong number on the plastics, but it is the 450 SXF, as well as the FMF rear pipe here. And overall it looks pretty darn clean if you ask me. And it has, I actually forget which size that is. I think that is the bigger size basically rod that goes for the wheels. It has the oversized one in the back. So you gotta make sure that with the KTMs, there's a smaller size and a bigger size. I'm pretty sure this one is the bigger size, just so you guys know. But something to be aware of. Just something cool. And let's see now. We will just give you a once over, just a quick run over with the camera here, just giving you all the angles, all the sick looks on this thing before we turn around. So yeah, we got that all down. It looks pretty darn cool. And let's see, there we go. overall, pretty sick bike. I'm probably gonna get one sometime in the future. Maybe it's a 2-stroke. I don't know. Tell me what you guys like. Do you like 2 strokes or 4 strokes? I don't know. Can't decide. So, one last thing. Brother said it was, let's see, it has smooth power and it is good for wheelies. And with that, y'all, thanks for watching. Hope this video was anything kind of informative. And just appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you later. Woo!